But hey guys, welcome to Key and it's Key Live Trading. As you can see, we're looking to make a trade on UVXY and we're up. I traded it before earlier and I made $787. It was 800, but I got slippage, which is normal, but I'm not stressing it, but I'm looking to make some more on UVXY. And I'm making this video so you guys can see me in action. It's really not hard, but I'm trying to see which direction it's trying to go. So far, it looked like it want to break up, but it's also giving a little bit of resistance at the price range of 19. So I gotta really sit back and really see the direction I want to go. Remember, guys, we don't trade consolidation. We wait till the market show us which direction I want to go, and then we just jump on the wave and enjoy the ride. It doesn't make sense to really go against the flow of the stream because that's the quickest way you can lose and blow up your account. So if you want to blow up your account, you could do it that way. But Key Life Trading, we don't do it that way. So let's see. It looked like I want to continue going up. And we're going to start off with a share size of 2,500. And yeah. It's a lot of resistance. You can see the size here. And guys, if you're liking the content, please like, share, subscribe. It'll do me a big favor. That would be great. And remember, guys, when you're trading, you can assume something. It doesn't mean it's gonna always go in your direction. And when that happened, or in that case, I should say, when it's in that case, you always have to keep your stop loss tight. That's why risk management is very important, because we don't know exactly the direction of the market. We can only assume based on certain criteria. Sorry, guys, based off certain criteria of the stock market. But other than that, we can't tell. The stock market is a very emotional place. So we don't know what other people are thinking. We don't know what the algos are doing. We don't know what the hedge funds are thinking. So we just have to basically go off what we're seeing and make critical decision based on specific criterias or how the market is flowing. But yeah, look like we might get a reversal. I'm not sure, but let's keep watching. I think I'm gonna take a short position and let's jump in short. Okay, let's see. And another thing too, guys, this, like the stock market or trading, is not a race. You feel me? It's a marathon. So even if you're scalping to get a little and just get piece by piece until you get to your goal, that's perfectly fine. And don't really worry about what other people are doing. If it fits your type of trading strategy, just do it. If it's just taking bits by bits to get to your, end goal. But the smaller it is, you have to, the tighter you have to keep your stop loss or your loss, just in case if it goes against you, So let's see. Let's see what we can do here. It looked like the market want to turn around, and I'm going to keep reading the price action to see what it's trying to do. And if I do see something that it's going to affect the direction I'm thinking it's going to go in, I will jump out of that trade. Even if it's for a small loss, it doesn't matter, But let's see. It would be great if I could make at least a good 200 or 300. But if not, it's okay. I'm already up $787, so I have a little bit of cushion to basically take or sustain a loss if I do get a loss. But look at it, a good drop. Let's see if it's gonna hold. Let's see if it's gonna hold. It should hold, but we don't know. So we're up 300, and I can't take half profit, but I don't want to. You know what? Just to be safe, I'll take half profit just to lock in some profit. So I locked in half profit, so I'm up a grand and change. So as you can see right here, I'm up like total with the position open now, but what I closed out was 975. But let's see how far it can go, and if anything, I'll just basically close out break even if I need to. So I was up 787, and basically I've made like 200 and some change, which is not a problem. And you know my goal is basically $1,000, but if it keep going, why not? Let it keep going. It looked like I want to keep going, and I'm gonna just keep it. And if I have to break even, I'll break even. And I could even take half profit now if I need to or want to. But the market is going in the direction that I expected to. But let's take off some more. I'll take off 500. Cheers. I'll take off 500. And now I'm up 1,000. And I'm gonna break, well, not even, but I'll put my stop loss right here and see if it stopped me out. If it do, great. I mean, my goal. And if it don't and it continue, then I'll make more profit. So you see, guys, it's not that hard. It's really easy. And I know I say it a lot, but it's really not that hard. But remember, if you guys like the content, please like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be putting more educational content. And if you guys like seeing the live trade, the best thing if you want to see me trade live, the best thing to give me your attention or telling me or give me that sign that you guys want to see it is by subscribing, because I can wake up early in the morning and show you guys everything that I do on a daily basis. It's not a problem, but I need to know that people are willing to come out their way and actually watch it. But if you find value value in this video, please smash that like and subscribe button. You'll be doing me a big favor, guys. But yeah, I mean, it might keep running and it might not, but I'm gonna cut this video short. I don't want to keep up you guys' time. Well, it looked like it's gonna tag me out. And thanks for tuning in. As you can see, I locked in $1,055. That's my goal, and that's it. I'm walking away. I'm not even trading no more. And what time is it? It is 11:05. And that trade, wait, I still have some shares left. Hold on. Let me close out. So now I'm fully out. So my total was 67 in profit, as you can see. And it's only 11 o'clock. And that trade came up, I think that trade was probably 10 minutes, 10 to 5 minutes. And then I'm out, $1,000 a day. If you do that by the week, that's that's 5,000 for the week. You do the math. But anyways, thanks for tuning in, guys. Key Life Trading. I'm out.